Finally, there's a simple, easy way to build your own computer. A computer building course for beginners. Save money and get a better computer. Build one for yourself or build them for friends. With this course, it's easy for you to be the expert. There are easy to understand videos, illustrated PDF documents, and MP3 audios. Choose the learning method you like. Every detail you need is included in this course. You also have access to a trained computer expert if you need help. Now here are a few clips from the first video in the course at youcanbuildacomputer.com. This is the motherboard, also referred to as the system board or the main board. There are some other names that are used, but it is the main circuit board inside any computer. This back panel is what sticks out of the back of your computer, and that is where you plug in all of your devices. These white slots are PCI slots. You can get expansion cards for just about anything. This is a video card slot. Everything that you buy is determined by the slots on your motherboard. These are your memory slots. This board has 3 slots for memory, so you could fit 3 sticks of memory in these slots. That's your RAM memory. This is where the processor goes. These are connectors for your drives, your hard drives, your floppy drive, and your CD or DVD drives. This is where your power connects. Here and here is where the main power comes into your motherboard from your power supply. There are a lot of other connections, some you may not be using, depending on what types of parts or equipment you end up buying. The good thing is that they send a booklet with each motherboard, so there's no reason to worry about how to figure out where everything goes. Motherboards are made to hold either an Intel processor or an AMD processor. You have to make sure that the slot, the processor slot, where the processor goes, will fit that type of processor you decided upon. The way you do that is to match the socket type. For example, it might specify that it fits socket AM3. Then you simply shop for a motherboard that has an AM3 socket. There are different processors within each manufacturer. Obviously, they have many different types, sizes, and speeds. So, once you make your processor decision, you pick a motherboard to not only match that processor type, you also make sure the motherboard you choose has all of the other slots, all of the other connectors, all the other capabilities that you want for your other parts and for your computer in general.